Alrighty, so I have a construction update for you guys today. A lot has happened. So yesterday's construction update, we talked about Minebuster and Front Gate, and the stuff you're going to see today is absolutely insane in how they did it all in one day. So this just goes to show you how much in one day things can change. So here's Minebuster. I think you remember me yesterday being like, "Oh, I don't see any evidence of them lifting up the wood." And I went to go fly today, and behold, the wood's all gone. Over at Front Gate, the steel frame for the Front Gate store is being all set up. So that was really cool to see. Again, a lot of stuff can happen in one day. It's quite insane how much work can get done. So over at Front Gate, the steel frame is being set up. They're pouring the queue lines for the other security gate. So there'll be 2 security gates coming from either end of the parking lot. Again, further showing that we are going to be forced to walk to the outer edge of the Leviathan turnaround and come inward. So that is, to me, showing that there is going to be some sort of renovation on the interior part as well, but no concrete sign of that yet. The logo is still up, so I don't want to jump to any conclusions yet, but I just can't see them pushing the security checkpoints that far back without making any changes at the front gate section. They are also working really quickly. Again, bricks were arriving in this video as well, so the bricks are being delivered. So it looks like they have intentions to do the brickwork over the next couple of weeks. Weather is also working in their favor. I know that is really rich to say with all the snow on the ground and the snowstorm we just had. But warmer weather is coming back, and again, this is January, so this is supposed to be cold. As you can see there, the fence posts are installed that I was talking about being delivered. So again, they are moving real quick. They have intentions to accomplish this area quickly. Again, showing further signs that they're probably going to work on the inner side of the gate as well. But also, they do have other projects like Moosehorn and their 2025 coaster. So they do have to move quickly, as Wonderland, from what I know, has hired the same construction company to do all the projects. So Rutherford has a very large contract with Wonderland by the looks of it. Outside of that, nothing is going on over by the 2025 coaster in plain eye. So I can still see tire marks going into the mountain, bless the snow. But over here in Action Zone, this basketball game, which had survey markings on it, had a contractor there doing some work on it. So I find that really weird, especially it being January. Usually a lot of these projects are done in March and April. So it's really weird to me that I see contractors working on it. I will say, in previous videos in the last week, I have seen this same contractor working on the ring toss building as well. So I don't know if Wonderland is about to change its games department into more self-serve. So that could be something that's going on. So we'll have to see what goes on there, because there are signs. Contractors were all over every single game in World Expo. Haven't seen them anywhere else, but World Expo is definitely showing some signs of some sort of change or just maintenance. Here's a better shot of Minebuster's double down retracking. And yeah, that's all I have for today. But again, a lot changes in a day, as you guys just saw. I'm glad I could show it to you like this. But have a good one, guys. Bye.